Introducing Arabesque Hair Oil, a luxurious blend of nature's finest oils, crafted to transform your hair care routine. Each bottle of Arabesque Hair Oil is infused with a rich combination of natural oils designed to nourish, strengthen, and beautify your hair. Castor oil deeply moisturizes and fortifies your hair strands, providing essential nutrients for healthy, strong hair. Hemp seed oil hydrates and adds elasticity, minimizing breakage and promoting growth. Black seed oil rejuvenates your hair, enhancing its texture and making it more resilient. Jojoba oil balances the scalp's natural oils, ensuring your hair stays hydrated and soft. Safflower oil locks in moisture, ensuring your hair remains frizz-free and manageable. Pomegranate seed oil strengthens hair follicles, enhancing shine and preventing damage. Vitamin E oil protects against oxidative stress and environmental damage, restoring natural shine and vitality. Lavender oil provides a calming aroma and stimulates blood circulation in the scalp, encouraging new hair growth. Rosemary essential oil stimulates blood circulation, promoting a healthy scalp and encouraging hair growth. Peppermint essential oil revitalizes your scalp, promoting a healthy environment for hair to thrive. Aloe vera oil soothes and hydrates the scalp, reducing dandruff and itchiness. Green tea oil soothes the scalp and reduces inflammation, promoting overall hair health. Chamomile oil adds shine and softness, making your hair look and feel vibrant. Argan oil restores natural shine and vitality, protecting your hair from environmental damage. Grapeseed oil provides lightweight moisture and fortifies hair, reducing frizz and enhancing luster. Imagine massaging the oil into your scalp, feeling the soothing sensation as the natural ingredients get to work. You can use it as a pre-wash treatment, a leave-in conditioner, or an overnight treatment. It's your versatile hair care solution. With each application, your hair becomes shinier, smoother, and more vibrant. Arabesque Hair Oil isn't just a product, it's a ritual of self-care and love for your hair. Experience deeply nourished hair, reduced frizz, stimulated growth, a healthier scalp, restored shine, and vitality, all with one powerful formula. Join us in revolutionizing hair care. Become a VIP today by reserving your bottle of Arabesque Hair Oil with just a $3 deposit. Visit our page, make your reservation, and be the first to experience the magic of Arabesque Hair Oil. Your journey to beautiful hair starts here.